It's easy to forget your Facebook password, but Facebook provides simple and secure ways to recover it. You can reset your password in minutes using your phone or email. So first, you need to go ahead and open the Facebook login page. You can open your Facebook app or go to the Facebook website as well. And in the login screen, tap on Forgotten Password. Now, here you need to find your account. Enter one of the following, which is your email address, your phone number, your username, and then tap on Continue. Choose the option that you can access and tap on Continue. Sometimes you might be automatically logged into your account if you used the same device to log in the past. If not, you can check your email or text message, or Facebook will show you recovery options such as email, SMS. So you need to choose the option and enter the security code. Check your email or text message for a 6-digit code and enter the code in the Facebook and then tap on Continue. This confirms your identity. Then you can create a new password. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.